Hello my friends, hopefully everything is well with you. If you are new here, my nickname is Nina. And if you're not new here, thank you for coming back. I really appreciate every single one of you. And those roosters will not stop singing for a while. But I'm used to it, I like it. I have been away from doing the weekly video because I had surgery last week on my shoulder. So you can see I still have the butterfly bandages, but I've been doing a lot of exercise. I have been on painkillers and it wasn't really that bad. So I stopped the painkillers after like the third day and I said, you know what, I don't want this. It just knocks me out and it gets me woozy. It's like, no, I don't like it. So yeah, what happened was that I ordered this box before my surgery and it was more like a consolation prize for everything I was going to go through. But because of the painkillers and because of everything that I was going through, I forgot about the box. And I was basically sleeping day and night, okay? Literally for 3 days straight. And well, the box has been in the post office for at least 3 days, 2 to 3 days, and let's just hope that they're okay. Yeah, and we've been doing what we can with everything that's been going on, but yeah. So let's get going with unboxing. Okay, this is the box. I just opened it with my new box cutter. Cute little thing. There's the blade. So small you can hardly see it, but it does the job. And I'd rather use this than the knife, so. Okay, let's see what we got. I got the invoice. Let's go with the first one. There's a little soil coming out. Are you my baby? Which one are you? Oh yeah, I remember. Because of the dried up flowers, they were kind of larger flowers. They're yellow and these are dried up already. It has its trellis. This bottom leaf I think is damaged, but I'll get to that later. Let me show you what it looks like close up. Has some abs. And here's the back. I'm trying to work with the lighting so then the light won't reflect on my glasses like before. The next one okay, now what are you? This is an Inquisada elbow. It has minimal elbow variegation, but I do have the regular Inquisada, so now I have this elbow. See how it has the variegation? This one has a little bit more variegation. And this one has a little bit more variegation also on the outer. Alba marginata, meaning that the variegation is on the outside. So yeah. My neighbors decided to do some construction right now. Fascinating. That may not be so sarcastic. It's like great timing. Okay, this is the third one. This is the Hoya. I believe it's the Fuensis. This one is stressed and it has this very dark stressing. Very dark, and it does have a little bit of splash. So I'm not sure if it is the Fuensis. I can see that it flowered recently. So here is the peduncle right there. So we're just gonna have to keep deducting us to the name so I can get to the right one, but I think this is the Fuensis. I like the color red that it has. It has red, yellow, green. It looks like a burgundy, like a very intense burgundy. Okay, so we're gonna go with that one. Okay, this one I think I know which one this is. Okay, let's see what this one could be. Does it have a name? No. You know what? I'm gonna leave you the names when I finally find out which one's which. It looks like a Pachiclata splash, a little bit of, well, yeah, this one does have a little bit of splash right here. The texture, it does feel like a Pachiclata, but we'll just wait and see. I have to go down and find out which ones on the list I know for sure. And then look it up. I usually look it up in Google. And this is the fourth one. Very nice tendril. Doesn't look like it's dried. Looks like an active one. Okay, that's good, that's good. Very nice. Okay, the fifth one is the Hoya Parasitica Silver Heart. Look at that beauty. It's only 3-leafer with a small tendril that's apparently been cut off. Oh, but look, it's so minty, so platiny. Oh, it looks so cute. It really is so pretty. I love this color. I don't have many with this color, even though I do have other plants that are not necessarily Hoyas. Oh, but this one is very nice, splashy, but the majority is minty. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm so happy with this one. I think this was the one that I really, really wanted to see if I had made it. These plants are very resilient in importing or traveling. And I know it's getting cold in Florida. Here it's in the 80s during the day, and during the night it's like 70s. It's getting cooler, but not to the point that I have to put my plants inside, which is good. Okay, and this is my last Hoya. I have another plant that I also got. Let's see what this says. Oh, wow. Look what this says. I just found it in the box. Hoya Parasitica Silver, 105. I knew it was a little expensive, but I didn't know it was that expensive. No, I didn't pay 105. I only paid $27 on the auction. Wow. Maybe they just put that there, but it looks like a very valuable Hoya, right? Okay, we're gonna go into the number 6, which is the last Hoya, and then I have a wish list plant that I have been wanting for a long time. What are you? What are you? Thank you, there's a name. Hoya Neo Ebudica. It says $30 on the label, but I got it for $17. There's some construction in the background, so bear with me. nice. It looks like a full plant. I don't see any pests. I'm gonna have to give it a pest preventive treatment before I even add them to my collection. And my next Christmas wish list accessory is another IKEA cabinet. So I can put all these extra plants aside. It's like one luxury brings another luxury. It's like, oh no, I don't have enough space for all these new ones. Ay, Nina. But yeah, I'm happy with this collection. Okay, and the last plant that I have is a wish list plant that I have wanted for a very long time. And it is the Philodendron Florida Beauty. I am so happy I finally got this one. This one was sold at $80 and I got it for $28. So I finally acquired it. This is gonna be in acclimatizing, and then I'm gonna be giving it the pest treatment. And you never know, but you have to take care of your other plants also. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. 3-leafer, one coming out right here. There's an aerial root right here, and look at the stem. It's like a burgundy. Oh, how cute. I'm so happy. Very, very nice. So I'm very, very, very happy with this purchase. They're here. They're here and they're home now. Now it's just me trying to take care of them. So hopefully you've enjoyed. Take care. Have a wonderful time. And I'll try to be more consistent with my videos. And yeah, thank you for each one that had me in your prayers for a prompt and healthy recovery. Thank you so much. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I do it with much love for each one of you. If you like the video, thumbs up, like, and share the video so others can learn a little bit more about what we can do to help them get their plants better, right? And also, if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do so. Activate the bell so you can receive notifications when I upload another video. And I do want to remind you that I do have a Spanish-speaking channel, which is my primary channel. It's the same videos, but in Spanish. And yeah, it's called Nina Suculentas y Más. So I invite you to go over there if it's easier for you to understand. I don't like the voiceovers and the timing of the words with the music and the whole 9 yards. I just haven't perfected it yet. So I don't like the awkward delays. And I said, no, I just make another video. So there's no problem with me. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. And it's customary to send you the Puerto Rican blessings, which is for you, your family, your pets, and your plants. Have a wonderful day. And I'll see you for the next video. Bye.